It is Tuesday morning, and as you are probably aware, I need to be high build epoxy in this tomorrow so that I meet the deadline of doing the custom paint job Monday and Tuesday. And we ain't nowhere fucking near. I say we, I set these ridiculous fucking deadlines, and I don't know why I put myself through so much stress, to be fair. I was here till stupid o'clock last night, and I woke up at crack of dawn this morning, and I thought, no, I need another hour's sleep. I'm not feeling good. Like I haven't shaved my hair. I'm all hairy. I ain't sorted my beard out. I fucking ain't washed. It's fucking bad. But it needs to be done. I have to leave this shop at 4 o'clock today. I have to, and so that gives me 8 hours, 9 hours or something. 8 hours, I don't even fucking know. I can't work it out, too tired to get this ready for primer tomorrow. Fucking hell, this is absolutely absurd. Absolutely absurd. Oh man, shout out to Custom Paints as well for partnering with me on the build. I'm going to be the first person in the UK to use their Candora paint. I'm very excited about that. Shout out to my left arm. That is really fighting for its fucking life here, holding the camera up. I've done non-stop blocking for like about 15, 20 hours a day in sessions. I'm fucked, absolutely fucked. I suppose I better get on with it. I ain't got time to be talking to the camera. It's all right.
You know it's ours. Say it loud, no doubt. Say it loud, no doubt. I'm the main, can't dim my flame, frame. Whole place, change. When I walk in the frame. Eyes on me, I don't do maybe. Main character energy, yeah, that's daily.
Scrap heap challengers, you have 4 hours remaining. Shit the bed. We're getting there though. I'm making progress. The only things left to do is the front and rear bumper. So I still got to do the filler work and sort that out, block them out, get them perfect, because I'm not happy with them. The sunroof, that has still got to come out, and then I've got to obviously prep around the outside. Other than that, the only thing left to do is the trims, the chrome trims in the bottom of the door shuts are not yet out because they're actually very well glued on there. So I'm gonna have to get a decent long blade and slice them off, and then obviously prep the rest of the door shuts. But other than that, there's a couple of little nooks and crannies. I need to get the front bumper off and cut the back of the grille straight. Other than that, that's it. I've got to do the trims. I've still got to do the trims and the wing mirrors. But other than the wing mirrors, it's all going gloss black, so I'm going to be doing them afterwards anyway. Only thing I need to get ready is the wing mirrors on top of this. Got 4 hours remaining. I think we might make this. If anyone can do it, you can do it. Come on.
You know it's ours. Say it loud, no doubt. Say it loud, no doubt. I'm the main, can't dim my flame, frame. Whole place, change. When I walk in the frame. Eyes on me, I don't do maybe. Main character energy, yeah, that's daily. Click, flash, pose, I glow. Big talk, sit down, I run the show. I'm calling the chaos, I'm calling this loud. I don't need your praise, I be my own crowd.
There is 30 minutes left to the deadline, and the only thing left to do, other than the trims, which could be done later, is the front bumper. I'm almost finished. The rear bumper's done. Oh, and I've got to take the chromes out of door shuts, but that's a 2-minute job. Mate, this is the final showdown. I'm gonna hit my deadline. Didn't think I'd be saying that this afternoon. Oh, mate. I am literally in such a rush. I'm sat in traffic, and this is my finishing video because I did not have any time to even get the camera out. I was so rushed, but good news. I hit the deadline, all by about an hour, right? I've got about an hour's work, a little bit hours worth of sanding left to do in the morning, and she can go in the booth and get primed, mate. Who'd have thought I'd get that done, eh? Fucking hell. Fuck, now I just got to get into high build epoxy tomorrow, get that block sanded again, get it painted, flaked, lacquered, bake it off, block sand it again, ready for the paint and line work Monday and Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe. Come back tomorrow and post a video every day. There's so much going on. Don't miss out. I'll see you next time. Toodle pip. See you in a bit. Much love.